Another video, another pasalubong receive. So ayun na nga, may pasalubong tayo galing kay Boss Wifey. Simple lang siya pero may effort. At ang napili kong kulay ay red. Syempre, para swerte. Let's adopt the Chinese Khmer root culture. Red means good vibes, good luck, and good life, di ba? Manifesting na may laman itong purse, hindi puro lang hopes and dreams. Okay, moment of truth na guys. Hala, may sumisilip. Wait lang. Wait lang. Bakit parang may pa-surprise si Lord? Wow! May laman nga. Feeling ko ngayon parang holiday. Double pay ang feels. Pero real talk lang. Kung ano man ang natanggap natin, maliit, malaki, pulang purse or hindi, learn to be grateful. Kasi lahat ng yan galing kay Lord. At ang blessing, hindi laging malaki. Minsan kasi, nasa simpleng naaalala ka lang. So, in life, don't wait for big things to be thankful. Minsan, yung simpleng red purse ang magpapaalala sa'yo na may nagmamahal at may Diyos na laging nagbibigay. Amen.